Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. So for my makeup today, you know what I did use on my eyelids? You are not going to believe this. This is the loose powder highlight from Sheila by Colourpop. This is called Booming. And I thought, let me just experiment with this today and see how this is going to turn out. And it turned out to be pretty good. I really like it. And the eyelashes are from Dorello Cosmetics. This is called Esther. I'm going to link that below for you guys just in case you want to pick up on one or two of those eyelashes. And lipstick, it's this. I have no idea where this came from. I'm gonna have to go back and look at some videos to see if I did haul that for you guys because I don't remember at all. Hair is called Esme from Wicked.co.uk. The earrings are from Pretty Little Things. I think I showed you guys this before. However, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys this coat, one fall fashion item. This is from RiverIsland. I'm going to leave the link below for you guys. The price is going to be there. Everything's going to be in the description box for you. Beautiful coat. You are going to see this on. Okay, because it's a little bit difficult to show it to you guys right now. It is double-breasted and I love the fur details on the sleeves, and of course there's a fake fur, not real, on the collar of the coat, and this is removable. And I really love this beautiful coat. It's black, it's for the fall season, and like today in the UK it's really windy, it's not that cold, but this would be a perfect day to wear this coat. It is a winter coat, but it feels really nice on, and it looks really good. I did buy the size 16. It was way too big and I had to return it and get the size 14. The size 14 was not available in store, so she had to reorder this online for me because I really wanted this coat. The price is going to be linked below for you guys. So we are going to get straight to the video right now. As you can see, the coat is so pretty. Double-breasted V-neck coat. It is just so nice. I absolutely love it. It's really, I would say really thick, but not that thick. Beautiful pockets to the side. It fits so well, and like I said, I did order the size 16 and I had to return it to get the size 14, which fits so much better. I don't like to wear too many thick things under my coat. I just like to wear like a shirt and maybe like a thin sweater or a jumper under my coat. And the back of the coat falls really nicely. Nice thick band as well. You can just pull the band and tie it in the waist. Good length to this, as you can see right there, and I love the buttons that's coming down to the front. You have 4 of the buttons that's lower and 2 higher up. Again, the back of the coat falls really nicely, so pretty. This is from RiverIsland. Just in case you want to spruce up your wardrobe, you want to sort of update your winter collection, you can also do that. And as you can see, the fake fur collar right there, and of course it is removable. If you want to keep this on for some style, you can do that. If you want to remove it to make it a little bit more casual, why not? If you're going on to a party or whatever the case may be, you can just leave the fur on to make it look a little bit more classy looking. Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning coat from RiverIsland. This is in a size 14 and it fits absolutely perfectly, and I really hope you guys like this coat because I think, you know what though, this can fit anybody. It doesn't matter your skin tone, whatever, as long as you have skin and as long as you're a human being, you can fit into this coat. The price is going to be linked below for you guys. Again, it's a size 14 from RiverIsland. Beautiful, gorgeous coat. And this is all for today for this show and tell video for this beautiful coat from RiverIsland. Again, everything is going to be linked below just in case you want to pick it up. It's a very classy coat, very beautiful. And of course, black is always a staple in your wardrobe. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed today's video and thank you for spending this little time with me today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much and I shall see you in my next video. Toodles! Bye!